Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today's video is all about this beautiful soft glam makeup look for the soft girls. This is so simple to recreate. I love the fact that it is between pink and nude. The lips, the eyes, everything just works perfectly together. Let's get right into the video because I don't want to waste you guys time. But before we do that, please make sure to hit the subscribe button if you are not yet subscribed to my channel. Like, comment, and also the notification bell. Hit the notification bell, guys, so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. Let's get right into the video. Let me show you how to recreate a beautiful soft glam like this within minutes. So let's go. I'm starting with my primer, and this is the Hydro Grip makeup primer. And that's it. I'm going to let the primer set for a little bit before I go in with my foundation. I'm gonna place hazelnut at the outer corner of my eyes. Once I'm done blending in my concealer, it's time for me to start setting my face. Today, I'm going to be using just one setting powder. I will not be using a pressed powder. I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty loose setting powder in the shade Blondie. So I wanted to show you guys the difference. So that's the reason why I'm setting just one side of my face. So this is the side with the setting powder, and this without the setting powder. Like, this is just so beautiful. I love it. Like, it's the best. And to set my nose contour, I'm using my Microsmooth powder from the Sephora's collection, and this is in the shade Sienna. I'm using this to set my nose because this is a little bit softer than the Fenty Beauty bronzer. And next is powder blush, and today I'm actually using my eyeshadow palette, and I'm picking this very beautiful purple shade. yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Well, it's like pink, between pink and purple. Maybe I should mix this with a pink blush. Well, pink eyeshadow, sorry. Yeah, I think I'm gonna mix both, the purple and the pink. I love it. This is so pretty, guys. I am obsessed. Why have I never mixed this before? This is so pretty. Look at the side and look at the other side. It's gorgeous. And to dust off all the excess powder, I'm using my Makeup Forever Pro Finish face powder. And I'm just gonna use the same powder on my brows because my brows tend to get so oily. I'm gonna dab this a little bit more before drawing my brows. And on top of my contour to just blend that a little bit more because we don't want it to look too harsh. And we're keeping the eyes very simple, so I'm going in with a liquid matte eyeshadow. Just gonna spread this all over my eyelids. Use my fingers to dab. So this is liquid, but it dries down matte. And in the inner corner of my eye, I'm gonna add this eyeshadow right here. It's slightly similar to the one I already have on my eyelids, just that this one is a little bit brighter. Yeah. I love it. And this is what it looks like with the mascara. I'm actually contemplating right now if I should go for false lashes or if I should just leave the makeup like my lashes the way it is with just the mascara. I'm not really sure. I'm going to check if I have like a very simple false lashes. If I do, I'll apply that and I'll be right back. If I don't, then you see. So these are the lashes that I could find. It's actually a new lash that I got during the Sephora sale, and this is their weightless from the Sephora's collection. Actually, this is their weightless false lashes, full fluffed and full lashes. This is what it looks like. This is the packaging. I love it. And for my setting spray, I'm using my Milani Make It Last Dewy setting spray. This is almost finished, so this is all I could get. And I'm going back in with my powder product, and this time around not so much, just very light-handed. I'm starting with my setting powder, of course, in the highlighted areas, and I'm using Blondie. I want to make sure that I do not have too much on my powder puff. I see. and a little more blush. So I'm going back in with the purple and pink shade, and I'm just gonna tap a little bit more to bring that back. And on to my favorite part, which is lip combo. I love a good lip combo. I am so excited to try out this new lipstick that I picked up from MAC during the Sephora sales. And this is the MACximal matte lipstick in the shade Velvet Teddy. This is it. This is so pretty and I love it. I love MAC lipsticks. I just love how the packaging, how they look. Like, this is so pretty. Oh my god, look at how beautiful this lipstick is. It's gorgeous. And this is what it looks like with the lip liner, and I love it. This looks more wearable. Will I wear this out of the house? Yes. Without the lip liner, no. I love the lipstick regardless, and I feel like it works perfectly well with the eye makeup. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section. And this is a finished look, guys. This is so pretty, so simple, and so easy to recreate. I'm obsessed. So I decided to top up my lip combo with a lip gloss, and this is from Sephora's collection. It is their lip gloss glossed lip gloss, and it's in the shade Brave. This is what it looks like. I love it. I love the lipstick without the lip gloss, but there's just something about a good glossy lip that I cannot resist. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. This is the finished look and I'm obsessed. If you watch the video to the end, please make sure to hit the subscribe button if you are not yet subscribed to my channel. Also hit the notification bell, like, comment, share my videos with your friends and families. Thank you so much for watching, and until my next video, bye my loves. Mwah.